everyone, welcome back to today I will cover all these topics, all these widgets that you are showing on screen. So let's start it. Okay, yeah, I will increase the size of this image so you can so it easily. Okay, so I will cover all these topics one by one, all these widgets one by one. So let's start it. So first I if you are a beginner or new here, don't worry about these things. So I have already uploaded video to how to set up the Flutter and how to set up the path and all these things. So today we will discuss only about these widgets. If you are facing any problem regarding to how to set up the widgets, how to set up the Flutter, so comment to me, I will help you regarding these things. Basically in these this tutorial is for freshers only, fresher or beginners only. Okay, if you are already aware of all these things and you are a moderate developer or aware of all these widgets of the Flutter, so don't watch this video. Okay, this video only for freshers and trainees and new mm, new beginning levels member. Okay, so let's start it. And I am creating this video in English because some other state people don't know Hindi, so that's why they are facing problem in Hindi videos. So that's why I decided to make this video in English. Okay, so it will so resolve the all the issues related language barrier. Okay, so let's start it. So first I have opened the VS Code. If you are using macOS, press Ctrl Shift P, and you are using Windows OS. Press Ctrl Shift P and select new project application. You have to select application and select destination where you want to save this project. I want to save it in desktop. Select as a folder and create enter your Flutter application. So then I will Flutter tutorial 1, first tutorial. Okay, at this my channel this is only this will be only one long video. Okay, so I will try in future for other videos. So the once it's open, it's depends on your system performance. Then if you are using macOS, then you can also you can open your launch emulator. Okay, so select launch emulator and iOS emulator. Okay, simulator. Okay, so when you press Control P or Shift P. Okay, Shift Control P and Shift Control Command P if you are using Mac. Launch emulator or launch Android emulator. Okay, so there are two things. Launch emulator iOS Pixel. Okay, so I want to launch iOS. Okay, so if you are using Windows system, then select Android Android simulator. Okay, and so okay, what is the problem? Control Shift P and launch emulator. Okay, iOS simulator. iOS this is called simulator and Android is called emulator. Okay, so no worry about that things. You will learn one by one. So this is our system and running. This is our boilerplate default program. So I will try to run this program. What is the Flutter? To run this command, you have used the Flutter run command. I'm making here problem. Okay, now it will run successfully. So Flutter is basically a framework by Google, and Dart is programming language that we use in Flutter. Okay, to develop a Flutter application. By Flutter application, you can create Android application, iOS application, web application, Windows software also, Mac OS softwares also, and Linux OS. Okay, so you can create all these type of sub application from single code base, and you have to change minimal changes will be there. Okay, so this is our program is running successfully. So what we have to do, first I will create clear all these things, all the is code. So control A, I want to press control A, command A. Okay, in macOS command A, in Windows control. So when I am saying about command. So if you are using Windows system, so think about control. Okay, so there will be first we have write the main function. Main is the entry point of the code. So run app. Okay, my app, semicolon, then what is our, okay, stateful stateless. First I will try stateless widget. So stateless, click on stateless and my app. Okay, this is your name. It's depends on you whatever you want to use that application. I have const, then here warning will be gone. So this is our application. Okay, by default I'm running a container color, colors dot white, colors dot red. Okay, so if I will try run this program, then all screen will be red, okay? Because I don't add the height and widget. Container contains height and widget property, height and width property. Okay, so 100 and 100. Okay, factor of widget material. Okay, so this is what you want. You can use sized box here. You can add center here. Column defactor ref is center. Then it will return column. Remove this widget. Okay, so this is your first program. Okay, so I am using container here. So let's go step by step. What is the stateless widget and stateful widget? A stateless widget, when I don't want to change the widget state, so then I use stateless widget. Okay, so when we are calling data from API and we are changing we are going to change the state of the widget, then we use stateful widget. Okay, so stateless widget and stateful widget, there are two type of widgets in Flutter. Okay, so I think you are able to understand what is stateless, stateful. Stateless, when we don't want to use don't want to change the state of the widget, then we use stateless widget. And when we want to use the state of the widget, so we can use stateful widget. Okay, so you can if you have any doubt, you can comment or you can search on Google stateless stateful widget. Okay, basically these are the different. So this is stateless widget. Okay, so also you, what is stateful is also some stateful widget. Okay, my app. So what I will center child text. Okay, so if you are not able to understand, just watch a video, I will explain. Okay, so no material found, it means here click on center. Okay, what we are written, click on center, right click, refactor, and wrap with widget material. Okay, so if you wrap with material, then error will be gone. Okay, okay, we have to change it material app home. Okay, I will tell you about material app, material and material app. Okay, so it's looking very bulky, but good for now. Okay, so these are the difference between stateless and stateful. Oh, what you can do in stateless and stateful. Okay, in stateful you can change the state of the widget. So how to you can create the stateless and stateful widget? It's the example. Okay, so let's go for another things like app bar, text widget and styling and like that. So I will go one by one. So stateful widget done. I will repeat it again and again. Okay, everywhere we use only stateless and stateful widgets. Inside this, we use all the widgets. Okay, that whatever we want. So, what is app bar? So, let's go for app bar. Okay, so this is your home screen, material app. Okay, so just remove these things. Okay, what is your home? Me scaffold. Okay, scaffold is also a widget that contains app bar. App bar is nothing like a, okay, scaffold app bar. Okay, we have to remove the constant. That's why it's getting error. Okay, app bar. App bar contains title. Title, in title you can pass text. Text is also a widget. Okay, in text it's accept string type of value. So my app bar. Okay, this is my app bar. Let's run it. For just press R. Okay, it's running. Okay, so it's good as of now. So material app, if you want to remove this debug banner, okay, this is check on emulator. Okay, so debug banner, so you have to debug banner false. I set to debug banner false. Okay, so it will be gone. Okay, and if you want to add a bar background color, so what we have to do, a background color, colors dot blue. Okay, so you can change the color. Okay, now it's looking good. Foreground also you can change foreground color. Foreground color, colors dot white. Okay, press control s or command s, press R, it's running. Okay, so if you want to use if you want to run this code also on Android, so press control shift R and launch emulator a pixel. If you have a less configuration, then don't use both emulator and simulator with one. Okay, it's maybe hang your system and like that. Okay, it will happen anything. So I have very much strong the PC. Okay, that's that we are using, that I am using, so it is better. Okay, so press Q and again Flutter run, then it will ask for which platform you want to run this application. Okay, so I have uh, look at this point, I have Android simulator, iOS simulator. Okay, Android emulator, iOS simulator, macOS, Chrome. So I want to run it uh, Android emulator, so I will select one. Okay, it will take some time to to make a build. Just wait for some time. Okay, okay, it will take some time and it will run perfectly. Okay, 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 it's this error means your storage is full on emulator, and so I have to remove some apps from Android emulator. Okay, not from iOS, Android, it's causing for error for Android only. Okay, so I will remove some apps like this, app info, uninstall. Okay, so now you have it should run. Select one, I am not skipping any step, and any I will not cut any video from okay, this video, because you can watch everything. Okay, you can watch what type of problem we face and how we can solve these problems. Okay, so this is our Android emulator. Okay, now I will minimize the iOS. It's Android, so it's also running on Android. Okay, if you want to run same program on Chrome, so press Flutter run d info hyphen d Chrome. Okay, so it will run on Chrome. Okay, if you want to run is macOS, because it's macOS, so it's asking for macOS. If you are using Windows, then it will there will be no option like a Mac. It will be Windows. Okay, so this is your app bar. Okay, and this is your screen. On screen we don't have added anything. Okay, so we can run anywhere with single code base on multiple, okay, multiple platform. So let's go for I will run on iOS. Okay, so let's again run. Okay, these are the first step that you have to know. I am just showing key how to, if you are a beginner and you are watching first video regarding Flutter, then you have to know all these things, see how to run the code on Android, iOS and Flutter. Okay, so this is my application. Okay, so what we have to do, I have covered stateless, stateful and text widget also. Okay, so app bar, this is our app bar. Okay, so you can write anything here. Okay, just watch app bar done. Okay, I will modify app bar as of now. uh, I am using only dummy like basic app bar, so no worry. Okay, as a, so then styling. Okay, what is the styling? Then let's cover styling. Okay, this is your app bar. Okay, if you want to add style, some style on here, like style, fast style, text style. Okay, and okay, wait, I need one comma here, missing comma. Okay, so what is color? Colors dot amber. Okay, font weight, font size, you can see font size. Okay, let's check it. Control S, press R here, hot reload. Okay, app bar. And if you want to weight, font weight dot bold. Okay, you can select according to your need. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, styling on app bar, styling. Okay, so we can use style like this way. Okay, so you can pause and practice this code. Okay, let's go for next widget. What is the next widget? Styling center. Okay, so if you want to, okay, this is your app bar. Okay, so in app bar, if you want to write any code, you can, these are the white color content or body, so we have to write code for body. So in body, this is app bar scaffold. Okay, in scaffold, home and body, there the body. Okay, body text hello Harendra, press R. Okay, this you can see here, hello Harindra is starting of the okay, of the body. So if you want to edit it in center, anything, refactor, wrap with center, there will be center option. Okay, so control S and press R, it will be on center. Okay, that's how you can implement center widget. Okay, how you can use center widget. uh, okay, I am giving example. Okay, end of the this video I will use a stylish container and all these things. So uh, be, be continue. Okay, so this is your center. Okay, so I think you will be able to center. Style is done, center is also done. Okay, container, we go for container. What the container? This is your body. Okay, in body I will remove this is a container. This is your container. Container have what is property? Height. If you want to add a height, width 100. Okay, so this is container, but I don't have any add any color, so that's why color dot. Okay. Okay, so you can see here your container is there. Okay, so container have also all decoration property. So in decoration property you can add decoration like decoration, box decoration, color, color dot red. Okay, radius, border radius dot all 10. Okay, okay, okay. Radius dot circular 10. Okay, so remove semicolon, add comma here, press R. Okay, so you can watch here. So if you want to this container is center, so just right click on the double click on the select this, right click, refactor, and wrap it center, then it will be in center. Okay, so it's how you can add width. Also you can you want to full width, then you double dot infinity. Okay, for height never use double dot infinity. Okay, so it will cause some error. 200. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so this is a container had decoration property. Once more thing, if you are using color here and also here now, then it will cause error. Okay, because it's showing a container dot dot filter and certain or this line. Okay, and both color and decoration provide both you decoration box decoration color only. If you are remove here now in box decoration, that it will also occur some error. So what you have to do, use when you are using decoration, use color property inside the decoration. Okay, box decoration. So if you are getting this blue line, so add const keyword here, const. Okay, so this color will be gone. If you are not using this, go to here, quick fix, add const modifier, const modifier, it will add const or no, const keyword automatically. Okay, so this is okay, container is also done. Then go for assets images. Okay, so for these things we have to first I need one image. Okay, so go to the Chrome. Okay, and I will download image. Oh, no, any image. Okay, so I am using this, I will use this image. Okay, save image as. Okay, desktop. Mhm. Okay, okay, img. Okay, okay, this is png image. So you can see here on the on my desktop. Okay, this is here. Okay, so what we have to do, go to this folder, click outside this here. I will I am doing full screen. Okay, so click here, click on folder, new folder, create a folder name as assets. Okay, so it's good practice. Okay, you can use direct image, but it's good practice to create a assets folder. In assets folder, right click new folder and click edge. Okay, so you can use like this image edge, and you can click create here icons. If you are using any icons inside your application, so you can use icons. Okay, and fonts, you can also add fonts. Okay, so this is okay, this is our my assets folder. What now, what I have to do, just drag and drop. Okay, means copy paste inside this image folder. Okay, so I now I have one assets folder. Okay, and we are using image folder here. As of now, no need of icons and no need fonts, that's why I delete. Okay, so there will be no confusion. Okay, so inside these things, assets, create one folder images and put your image here. Now what you have to do, click on this, go to pubs.ml file. Okay, below this pubs.ml, and go scroll down and down. So search assets. Okay, so what you have to do, uncomment of this line, select this line, plus control and forward slash. Okay, it will be uncommented. Okay, so what you have to do, just create assets. Okay, so what will assets assets. Okay, remove this. So where what we are presenting inside the assets, where it is assets, I have images. A double S E T S. Okay, okay, I have. Okay, Pin E double S E T S. Now it's okay. Okay, so assets, inside the asset. Okay, so press Ctrl S, then it's gone. Okay, make sure when you are using assets na, in second S you have to this hyphen, and below the T, below the second S you have to put this hyphen. When you are in below the ST, you have to put A. Okay, start from A. Okay, so go to the your application. What we have to do, we can use. Okay, so decoration image, so remove this line, image, asset image, pass your path, assets, jits, and your image name. What is your image name? img.png. Okay, so go to the here, press R. Okay, so your image is added. Okay, so make sure you have to add perfectly. Okay, if you don't put this line perfectly now, edit this line perfectly, then you will get error. Okay, so make sure take a screenshot or pause the video and add path same. Okay, and you have to add same path here. Okay, where you want to, and image has also height and width property. Okay, so you can height 100 and width 200. Okay, control S, command S, press R. Okay, so you can fix your height and width. Okay, so these are the things. So how to add the image, it's okay. So it's also done. Once I am creating the assets also, when I am going fast, then after this completion all these things, I will create a proper UI and I have use all these things. Okay, so don't worry about it, you repeat, you have to I will create a repeat tutorial. Okay, so you will repeat all these things, so it will be better way. So then we have to go the column. Okay, so if as you can see, if you are using text here and center, then I remove the container. If I add image here, then I remove the all the widgets. So we are passing only one widget, but what will happen if I want to what the way to use multiple widgets on the single screen? So you can use column. Okay, there are two property. So column. Okay, and column you can pass children. In children you can read multiple things. Okay, so in as of now, what we have used before, we have used text tab bar. Okay, all these things. So you can do text. Okay, you can hello Harendra, and you can also add container here. Okay, container height 100, width 100, color COLO colors dot red. Okay, so click on format document, press R. Okay, so you can see here hello Harendra, and you want to any other things like okay, image dot asset. Okay, and click here assets slash images slash forward slash, and I amg.png. Press Ctrl S, press R. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, you can also add your container width double dot infinity. Okay, so so what you have to do if you want to add here in here some space between container and text. So you have used size box, height 20, add comma here. Okay, I also side box, height 20. Okay, you can also use here container, but containers is more heavy than a size box. That's why if you want to any space and height, we use size box only, not container. Okay, so if you will use container everywhere, then it cause slow. Okay, some it will be busy. Okay, your app will be busy and take more spaces, then it will be heavy and it will call the slow of the application. Okay, so yeah, to make the application you have to remember little things. Okay, so you can see here you have a size box. If you want to remove this 10, then it will be 10. You are okay, it's a totally depends on you how much you want. Okay, so this is the column property. In column you can write children, and children you can use everything, multiple widgets. Okay, in vertical. Okay, so in horizontal, if you want to use horizontal, then you have to use row widget. So there are some property like main axis alignment dot start. Okay, so this is the horizontal property, and cross axis alignment, cross axis alignment dot start. If I read, then it will be start from here. Okay, so all good to here. If end, then it will all will good to end. Okay, so this is the for column, this is main axis is horizontal, vertical is main axis alignment, horizontal is cross axis alignment. For row, horizontal is main axis alignment and vertical is cross axis alignment. Okay, so these are the things you can end. Okay, so it will. Okay, this is main axis alignment. Okay, so start. Okay, you can easily understand these things. Okay, so I will add it center, and if you space add a space between, then it will manage every okay, manage spaces according to widgets. Okay, there are three widgets, then also you can use space around property. It will distribute equal spaces like that. Okay, so these are the things. So what we have to do, start in center. Okay, so all, if you want to start, so start at the start, so it will be start from here. Okay, these are the columns property that's you can use. So what we have to do, next widget is column is done. Okay, so row widget. Okay, so what we have to do is row. I will use, you have to use also children. In children, okay, container, height 100, width 100, color. Okay, got the problem. Okay, okay, there was one problem with semicolon. Okay, so this is your row. what is the difference between row? This is, if you are using row now, you can put the content in this side, okay, row wise, and it is column wise. Okay, so I will write the codes. Okay, so you can understand it in better way. Control V. Okay, so press enter, control V, control V. Okay, so I will read red, green. Okay, okay, so you can understand if you write these things in column now, column, then it will be vertically. Okay, so if you want to put items horizontally, then use column. If you need to put in vertically, then use row. Okay, so okay, this is the example of row and column. So okay, so row have also property, axis alignment property. Okay, so what is the main axis alignment? Main axis alignment into space between, you want to is equally space, then it will manage according to this. If space equal, if space evenly, okay, then all side will be equal. So if you want to is from start, then it will be from start. Okay, so you can add end here. Okay, this is main axis. For cross axis alignment, okay, it's horizontal is main axis alignment, vertical is cross axis alignment. So if you want to put in center also, uh, okay, okay, control S, press R. So cross axis alignment dot. Okay, it's not getting. Okay, cross axis alignment dot center. This, okay, okay, it's working. Basically it's working, but stage. Okay, so it will stage fully. Okay, cross section. Okay, I will see. So start. Okay, main axis alignment. So it will space between. Okay, I will use space between. I am showing all these widgets property again and again, so you can practice and understand in better way. Okay, so this is the column property. Okay, so let's go for next widget. What is next widget? Row is done. Wrap widget. Okay, so what is the wrap widget? Why we have to use wrap widget? Okay, so okay, minimize this screen. So if you want to think, if you want to use multiple, we are using only three content. Okay, so if I want to use multiple things, okay, then what will happen? It's getting error. Okay, so in VGS code it's console. Okay, so text will be vertical down. Okay, so overflow. Okay, right overflow, you can watch it on simulator also. So right overflow, okay, by 207 pixel. So what we have to do to manage these things to make it responsiveness? So we use wrap widget. It's also like it. Okay, so there is no main access alignment property, remove this. Okay, then it's wrap everything. Okay, so you are getting this line because of red, yellow. Okay, you can now you can see the difference. Okay, so what is the that? Okay, pink, you can use pink. Okay, okay, now it's working. So you mm, okay, so there are some property. Okay, spacing, you can space 10 if you want to spacing will be 10. Okay, so and also run spacing 10. You can use anything according to use. Okay, this is the run spacing. And run alignment dot center. Okay, so it will place all these things. Okay, remove these things. So run spacing 20 is spacing 10. Okay, I will show you center. Okay, center. Okay, later. So this is working. Okay, so that's why we use wrap. If we will use here a row, then it will cause some error. Okay, then this is not a row property, then it will cause error. Okay, so it's a overflow error. So if you want to ignore these things, so you have to use wrap here. Okay, these are the things. So wrap is also done. So expanded, what do you mean by expanded? Okay, so like I will use row here. Okay, so we are using row here. We don't want to use. Okay, so don't use height and width. Refactor, ref with widget. Okay, then it will manage according to these things. Okay, I will show you. I have to remove all these things. So okay, okay. So this what is the expanded when you want to manage the screen according to available size spaces, so it will according to available size space. Okay, so we have fixed 100 and 100 height and width. So this is second widget is containing 100 and 100 widget, and first is containing all this space. Okay, if I will remove these things and refactor and refactor ref widget expanded. Okay, so it will also leave 50 and 50%, 50% yellow amber color and 50% green color. Okay, that's why we use expanded. Okay, this is used for responsiveness. Okay, if I okay, so if I if you are using responsive pages like web pages all these things like that, flutter run mind hyphen t, sometimes I also call it chrom. Okay, okay, no, now it's okay, sorry, command is also wrong again. Flutter run d chrome. Now it will run. Okay, so I will show you. I just want to show you responsiveness, how to handle the with expanded. Okay, okay, so this is using 50 and 50%. Okay, so what will happen if you want to there is also a flex property, flex 1 and flex 2. Okay, then what will happen? Okay, so flex means uh, okay, oh, 1%, like it's 1% and 2%. Okay, twice. It will it's taking a size of twice and it's taking up single size. Okay, so green color is twice of the yellow color here. Okay, if what will happen if I will add any other like that. Any other widget, okay. You can use any widget, okay. What will happen then? Add yellow color single flex and double flex, okay. So red and green will be double of the yellow color, okay. So it distribute the size of your screen into widgets, okay. So you can also run it on. So according to your need you can also use 2 here and 4 here, okay. Then what will happen, okay, let's see. So this is expanded and flex done, okay. So these are the things, okay. So now this is taking the 40% of the screen, okay, and 20 and 20, like this 25 okay, and it's 50% almost done. So you can manage your widgets, okay, according to your need. You can, I want to use 2, then it will distribute it equally, okay. So in better way, if you want to equal, then don't use flex. So without flex it will by default it will distribute equal distance, okay. So if you want to add here flex 2, okay, then it would be like this. So I mean you have to understand all this. So if you are using column, then it should be like this, okay. For column it should be like this. So row and column, I think you have to understand now. You have to understand as well, well understanding about row and column and wrap, okay, all these things. So align widget, okay. So what we have to do in column, okay, just remove these things. Refactor, remove this widget, click refactor, remove this widget, okay. So what is the, okay, height 50, width 50, okay. So I will place same height and width in every widgets, okay. So right click, format document, okay. You can also auto format, enable auto format, okay. You can look like this. So for better understanding I will remove column and add row, okay. This, no, column is okay for better example, okay. So you can use this. So what is the align? If you want to align this in right, click refactor, wrap with widget and align, okay, align, okay, align. So alignment dot bottom center, okay. You can place anywhere, okay. This is center, okay, not is center. And this container I will try refactor, wrap with digit, align, okay. So alignment, like alignment dot dot top left, okay. Okay, so you can manage these things and also you can add here align, okay. So alignment dot bottom right, okay. Okay, you can see it, like you can place anywhere. Alignment dot center, alignment dot left, okay. So it will be on left if you want to move here right, you can move here right. Okay, so center, you can place it in center. Okay. So if anywhere you want to use alignment, then you can use align. Okay, also align child text. Okay, so hello Harendra, HELLOHA. Okay, okay, okay. HARENDR. Now my eyes. Okay, okay. So if I want to right here, okay, hello Harendra. If you want to move hello Harendra, alignment dot center right. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, top right. Okay, so if there is a center right, top right, and left right, you are using. If you are your wrap is in size box and container, then you can see a better effect. Okay, so as of now, I leave it. Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, so okay, okay, everything is going fine. Now what I have to do, and is okay, align. Okay, so these widgets are done. Now what I have to do, hmm, okay, okay, I will change it column now, row, and I will remove, click refactor, remove. For this short video, this video will take a long lot of time. Okay, so that's why I am using shortcut. Means I am using this, remove this widget, and I avoid I am avoid to write the code. Okay, refactor. So refactor, remove this widget. Now it's okay. So hello Harendra. Okay, and here if you want to in the last. Okay, so like this. Okay, if I am using here 100 100 100 100 100 100 100. Okay, so what will happen, it's getting overflow. Okay, so we are using a column. Okay, so what we can do, right click on row, right, refactor, wrap with widget, and wrap is single child scroll view. Okay, right here single child scroll view, and scroll and axis dot horizontal. Okay, so you can scroll like this. Okay, as you can see here, if you want to. Okay, now your error will be gone, so you can use the single child scroll view for scrolling. Okay, also if you are using lot of data in column. Okay, so I will use height at 400, width at 300. Okay, so I want to increase the size box, so I can show you in better way. Okay, now it's getting these things. So what you have to do, like you have to remove this. By default it's used vertical. Okay, vertical scroll, so you can scroll like this. For width, double dot infinity, then it would be better. Okay, double dot infinity, it looks like better. Okay, so you can scroll these things like this, like this. Okay, so our scrolling is done. Okay, so what is the stack widget? Okay, I will if you want to use stack widget, now you want to put your is name HelloHarendra on the container. Oh, also you can use child, but you want to put the container above the container, like this yellow container and this container you want above this yellow container. So how you can do that? Okay, let's go var stack. This is your command C. Okay, so what we have to do, refactor wrap with widget stack. Okay, so in drag we pass children. Okay, I will control X, remove this widget. You have to put these things, and okay, height 600, okay, and height width 400, color green. Okay, uh, no. Okay, so stack my main access. Okay, so now you can height and width 300. Okay, now you can understand in better way. Okay, so what the height 300. If you want to put your container above the container, okay, so any widget above the widget, so you can use stack means above one things. Okay, if you have any problem now, you will comment, then I will try to explain it using animation, because in this video I am trying to cover most of the widget, so that's why it may cause some conflict. Okay, it will get late if I will use animation and like that things. Okay, so refactor, remove this widget, and now it will work perfectly. So if you want to put any container above this, the control it. Okay, paste here, color dot red, and what will be 100. This will be also 100. Okay, so you can put a container above the container. Okay, so this is the use of stack widget. So I think now you have to clear understanding about these things. Okay, so now what we have to do, all these things are done. Drawer, what is a drawer? Okay, so now you can see it's a app bar. Okay, so in go to the app bar section. Okay, so app bar have lot of property like leading. Okay, so first title. Okay, app bar title is here, leading, you can use leading, icons dot home. Okay, control X. Okay, in icons you can put it. Okay, so this is your leading icon, and this will be trailing art. Okay, so uh, action. Okay, so in action you can add anything like icon, icons dot edit square, like that. Okay, so it is if you want to add icons or perform anything, you can add like this. Okay, so action, basically we use action button. Okay, so I will explain about action buttons and all these things. So these are the things uh, regarding app bar. So what we have to do, wait for So app bar, in app bar, if you want to use to drawer, then you can use drawer. Okay, leading, remove this leading button. Okay, so what is app bar? Is scaffold. Okay, so pass here drawer, and drawer widget will be there. Capital R. Okay, so press R. As you can see, if you will click on this, then drawer will be open. Okay, so these are the drawer things. Okay, so what we have to do, you can pass drawer here, like child. See, so I want to multiple things in drawer, so I am using column. In column children will in children circle avatar radius 80. Okay, so you can see here radius, and you can add background color dot gray. Okay, so okay, so this is your circle avatar. If you want to add like a size box space, so side box height 100, you can use any size box. Okay, so this is your circle avatar. Below the circle avatar, okay, so I you can also add your background color. Okay, colors dot below, so you can add the factor format document. Okay, and click here, add const modifier everywhere. Okay, your warning will be gone. And below the circle avatar, if you want to divider, like single, like divider, use divider. Oh, thickness, you can add thickness here, and color also should dot dot number. Okay, you can use also. Okay, so like this you can use anything. Okay, so side box circle avatar. Okay, you can use circle avatar. In circle avatar you can use also background image. Okay, so asset image, a double s e t, yes, assets images. And in images you can use img dot png, that I have I have downloaded this image. Okay, so you can use images. So if background color is not looking good, so what we have to do, background color should be red. Okay, red is okay. Let's see. Okay, 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 something okay, no worry. So background color, circle avatar, format document. Okay, these are the things. Okay, 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 everything is fine. So what we have to do now, we can, and inside a divider you can use text name. Okay, okay, so color. Okay, you have to style text style color, color dot amber or color dot white. White should be better. Okay, this is the white color. So what I have to do now, you can use multiple things here. Okay, okay, so if you above the name you want to add some things. Okay, so you can use also icon. So what we have to do, drawer is okay. One more thing, icon widget. Okay, so icon widget also going to done. So refactor wrap with widget row. Okay, and you can add here icon also, icons dot person. Okay, this is, and you can, okay, let me check. Okay, so icons dot person, and you can change this icon color. White, I will. Okay, so this is the things, and if you will made access align access alignment dot space between, then it will be, so it will be like this, but space evenly will be better. Okay, so space evenly. Okay, so you can use here also image icon wrap with refactor wrap with row, and here I will copy this line of code, paste here icons dot email. Okay, so it will be better row main access, main access is alignment space between. Okay, press here. Okay, space, no, space evenly will be better for. Okay, so this is the things. So how you can use, yeah, if you want to divider also, so copy paste this divider above below this row, add this divider. Okay, so divider will be added. You can use multiple items whatever you want. Okay, so this is your drawer, this is your app bar, this is your action button. Okay, so what we have to do, yeah, our drawer is done, icon is done. Okay, so stack is also done. Okay, so alert box, what we have to do, here is your action, this is your drawer. Okay, I will told you how to you can create a separate drawer, but it's a beginning level, that's why I am not explaining everything. Okay, so if I will get time I will explain. Okay, so this action. Okay, so what you have to do, action refactor wrap with widget. Just okay, okay, so before it we have to remove this constant keyword. Refactor, right click, refactor wrap with widget. Just there. Okay, this is detector. What is the problem? I will remove the inkwell. Okay, inkwell on tap. Okay, so it's on tap, and icon child icon icons dot edit, and colors dot white. Okay, 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 I can delete square. Okay, so it would be better. Okay, so okay, now what we want, and to I want to show the example of alert box. So when we click on this, so there will be alert box. Okay, so for that what we have to do, on tab, so dialog, context, build context, so context, alert dialog, just put here semicolon. So there is title. In title we will press text, and what is alert, content, content, text, okay. So what will happen if you press this button? Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, okay, no material tab. Okay, 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 okay. I will check it. I have not leave it. Okay, so dialog box. We want to show dialog box. Okay. So what we have to do? We are going to implement floating action button. Okay. So scaffold, bar. These are the things column. Where is body? So as a home scaffold. Okay. Drawer is there. Bar is there. Body is there. Okay. So what we want? I want to remove this widget. Okay. Okay. So floating action button. Okay. On press, what will happen? I have removed the const keyword, then error is gone, and child text. Okay, so we have to pass one message. What is the message? Okay, so you can see here floating action button. Okay, so I will remove this refactor. I remove this. Okay, so this is and wrap with refactor, wrap with center. Okay, so remove this widget and refactor with column. So main axis alignment dot center, it would be fine. Okay, and also I will add cross axis alignment dot center. Why it's not going? Okay, let me leave it. Refactor with widget center widget. Okay, this should be okay. So center here you can icon. dot it. Okay, so you can use anything here. What we have to do, so now I'll click print. So as of now you can see when I click it's printing, okay, on console these things. So what we have to do, I will try to, so dialogs. Okay, okay. What we have to do, okay, okay. Remove. So now press, okay, okay, okay. I'll add dialog, so I will add another page. Okay, this one is causing error, okay. So what we have to do, as of now what we did all of these things. Okay, so alert box is plating, so floating action button is done. Now you can create floating elevated button. Okay, so you can use elevated button, elevated button. Okay, on press you can perform here your task. Print hello child center text, again child text, click. Okay, so this is your elevated button. Okay, so when you are printing it's printing hello. Okay, and what is the property, so if you want to add style to elevated but style that button dot style form dot style form. Okay, so background colors dot bar. Okay, and there is any property like width and height, elevation 20. Okay, so this is shadow. Okay, so if you want to refactor, ref is size box. If you want to fix the height and width, so width would be 50. Now it's working perfectly. Okay, you can add 100 also. So if you want to add, okay, so you can add elevation and remove elevation or 10. Okay, there is also, if you are there also lot of okay widgets. So it's elevated, how you can create elevated button and style it. Done. Inkwell. Okay, okay, so what is the inkwell? If okay, just I want to remove these things. So where we use inkwell, if I have a container height 100, height 30, like 40, and width 100. Okay, and colors dot g green. Okay, and child center, see center again child text. Okay, and you can write here CLI click and tracer. Okay, so this is color. If you want to perform any task on that, okay, means you want to make this container as a button, then what you have to do, click on container, click on refactor, wrap with widget, inkwell. So what we have to do, on tab property, inkwell contains, okay, so on tab inkwell. Come on, refactor, factor, wrap with widget, ink inkwell. Okay, so on press, on tab. Okay, here is a on tab property, on tab. Okay, print hello. Okay, so if you want to convert any word widget into text button, you can do. Okay, you can. So here perform your. Okay, I will try. Why it's not working? Okay, I will try. Okay, okay, I will try. I will show you example. Okay, no, I will remove all the code, then I will show you. Okay, so as of now you have a common understanding about elevated selecting action button and inkwell. Okay, so gesture detector is also like same. Okay, so if you want to refactor, remove this widget. Okay, so this is container, refactor, wrap with widget, gesture detector, gesture detector. So gesture detector have on tab from. Okay, so on tab print tab press R. Okay, so it's working also. So you can create auto like this gesture detector button. Okay, so on tab, on double tap also. Okay, so it will work on double tap, not a single. If you click on single, it's not continue. It will click on double, then it will work double. Okay, single tap not work. Okay, so you can use where you want to use a double tap, then you can use gesture detector. Okay, the inkwell is done, gesture detector is done. So list view, list navigation, bottom navigation. Okay, bar. Okay, these are the things. So I want to use list tile. Okay, list tile, very beautiful property. Okay, widget. So first what I have to do, I will remove all these code. Okay, so control press back space. So now what we want, we have learned all these widgets, so now we have to create one application. Okay, so I am going to create one application, okay, using all these widgets. See start. Okay, and create a video using create a application using these widgets. Okay, so what we have to do, first I will told you to how to, in this video I will told you to how to create a custom widget and all these things. Okay, so like main run app. If you have any problem, comment. Okay, I will try to explain everything. So I will use stateful widget. So my app. Okay, This is done. So what I want, material app. Okay, material app. In material app on home, I want to add scaffold. Scaffold. Okay, so scaffold in app bar में title. Title. Okay, okay. App bar. Sorry. Okay, so scaffold. Yeah, scaffold. Okay, scaffold में we can app bar. Okay, so in app bar I will pass app bar, title, text. Okay, so first app. Okay, so let's run this program. Press R. Okay, first app. So what we have to do, material debug banner false, so it will remove our these things. Okay, so I want to add app bar background color. Okay, so background color, colors dot amber. So what I want to tell you, if you are using colors dot amber, colors dot red, okay, instead of these things we can use, I can create our own color. So for own color, go to lib, create a new folder, constants dot dart. Okay, so it is a proper structure. You can also create here, but you are working on any project or live project now, then you have to big project, then you have to major project, you have to create follow these structures. Okay, these are good. So in constant dot dart. Okay, so what you have to do in this, I will create our color. Okay, so what is import flutter. So what you have to, flutter material. Okay, so flutter material dot dart. Okay, now const const red is equal to colors dot red. Okay, so now we can directly use. Okay, const green. Okay, so colors dot green. So const blue is equal to colors dot, okay, blue. So you can also change. I want to the dark color. So whatever you want, you can select color from here. I want to select this color. This would be better. Okay, this is this. Okay, blue. And okay, color dot height const red green. Okay, also okay. So no need to write these things again and again. So what I mean, if you want to add here yellow color now, so background color blue color, so just like write blue. Okay, then it's add, okay, blue color. So it's automatically import these things. Okay, if you don't import these things, it will get error. So go to the here error and hover it, right click import. Okay, so background color and foreground color white. Okay, so this is good way to create any to you reuse the components, create a component and reuse again and again. So I want to style, text style, font width, font width dot bold. So first tab, 200. Okay, no, 500. Now it's okay. Okay. So what we did, I have created a bar. Okay, so now I want to create drawer. Okay, so we can use we can process drawer here. So you can pass drawer like this. Okay, it will work. Okay, but you when you write the code now for drawer, then it will increase the line of code. You can 100 line of code or 1,000 line of code of dot, whatever you want. So the best thing is create your own drawer and pass here. Okay, so constants, create here new folder, components. Okay, so components, in components create new file, drawer dot dart. Okay, so what you have to do is stateful my drawer. Okay, so we are getting error, click over it, import. Okay, so here pass drawer. Okay, so this is the better way to use. Okay, so here instead of drawer we use my drawer. So I will use my drawer. Okay, this, and it will automatically import this line. Okay, so drawer, if you remove this line you will get error. So what I have to do, create. Okay, so what I have to, now my drawer is working. So in drawer, child, column, you can use children, circle avatar, circle avatar, radius 60, background color. So I want gray color, go to here, const grey is equal to colors dot gray. Okay, this is colors dot gray. So it's gray, I want to use gray color. So press here. Okay, so this is uh, this is our gray color. Okay, so you can use in column, side box. Okay, no, insert, we have to use in children. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, it would be better. Okay, so okay, so you can use like this. And if you want to draw black. Okay, so I will create here, control C, control V, black color. Okay, so this is your black color drawer. Okay, so you are using gray color, and what you have to do, what you can do, if, so I will already told you. Okay, so you can add column here. No, divider, I want to use divider color with white. Okay, so that's why no need to repeat again and again everything. So okay, this is divider, and you can yes, I sized box height 10. Okay, so copy I will use here. I want to use row children. Okay, no, children icon icons dot home color white. Okay, a comma here. Okay, and what I need to do, this is our icon. Okay, so text home. Okay, and a style, text style, color white. Okay, and main axis alignment dot space around it would be better. Okay, and this is the things what you can do. Okay, and I will copy and all these things. Okay, so you can use it and multiple times. Home. Okay, comma is missing. First format document, then divider one home. Second home will be about settings. So icon will be settings, and about icons will be, you can use. Okay, info, you can use any icons. Okay, so this is the icons. Okay, main access value, PC value, space between, it's also good. No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, as of now it's okay. So you can use here as so home, about the home size box of 20 if you want. Size box 20, and also here 20. Okay, so this is your things. Okay, size box 20 here. You have to also add the above, the divider. Okay, size box 20, and here also should be size box 20, then it looks good. Okay, so where is home icon? Okay, okay. Divider, here 20. Okay, so copy this divider and put into the last. These are the things. Okay, so this is our drawer now. Okay, so if drawer is not looking good, you can change the drawer color by here, drawer black, blue, then it will be great. It will match our pattern. Okay, so now it's looking good. And circle avatar, we can use background image, asset image, let's see, assets, img dot png. You can use your own image. If you remember, I have added image here. Okay, in assets folder I have in assets images folder, these are the image. Okay, and I also added path here. Okay, set up the path here, assets. Okay, so you have to do that. If you are watching step by step, then you will get all the points. Okay, so this is our drawer. Okay, so what we have to do, this is our main page. To remove the redundancy, code redundancy, I used the drawer here. So drawer contains these of line of code, so our main page will be clear. Okay, so app bar. So what we have to do in body. Okay, see in body I will pay home, home screen. Okay, so it's getting error. So what we have to do, we go to the your lib folder, create a new folder, cree, yes, screens. In screens folder I will create new file, home dot. Okay, so I will create a state. Okay, by mistake I missed dot. So you have to state full builder, and what I have to do, class name. Okay, so home screen. Okay, home screen, this is our home screen. Click import. Okay, so okay, it's great. So it's not okay. If you change the color red, and then it will effect. Okay, so this is our home screen. What I want to in there on main screen, we will write here on home screen. Okay, so this is the things whatever we want in home screen. Okay, so in home screen I want to add here material is okay. So child column, children. Okay, so in children I will pass container. For I forget this. Okay, so height 50, weight 200, and color okay, blue color, blue. I will use blue color, and child center, child text, and in text about. Okay, so I want to add a navigator here. What we have to do, this is okay, so column main axis alignment dot center, it should be center, in center. Dot tail hyper cross axis cross axis alignment dot center. Okay, refactor digit center. Okay, this works. So this is center. If you want to add decoration border like that. Okay, so what I have to do, a style text style color white. Okay, so about this works. And on container I want to add decoration, so box box decoration. Okay, so color blue and radius, border radius dot circular 10. Okay, so we have to remove this color, else it will, if you remember, it will raise the error. Okay, so now it's looking good. So what I want to, when I click on this button, then it will go to the next page. So for that, what we have to do, this is our container, factor, wrap with widget, and what we have to do, okay, inkwell. I will use inkwell would be better. Okay, so on tab I will add here navigator. So what you have to do for navigator, dot push, okay, route, material page route, context about screen. Okay, so I am getting error about the screen, so go to the screens, click new file, about dot stateful builder. You can use also stateless. Okay, so about the screen here. Okay, so scaffold, app bar, mm, okay, about, so background color blue, foreground color, no, I will, I have to use here background color, foreground color white. Okay, let's go. Okay, causing error, click here, import. Okay, so okay, so it's great, our navigator is now it's working fine. So what we have to do, click on this button, you will go back. So navigator dot push to go on next screen. Okay, so about screen, if you want to add here scaffold, okay, you want to change this button, so what you have to do, a bar, if you remember I told about leading icon, icons dot arrow back. Okay, so it will override. Okay, so it will not work. Okay, so by default it will back button work. If you override with any icon, it will not work. So what you have to do, wrap with it is well. Okay, what we have to do, on tab, okay, there is one things I want to tell you. Okay, so if you want, you can use also navigator dot pop. We are using single things. Okay, so you can, if you are using passing multiple with multiple property things, so you have to use curly braces. So here no need of curly braces. Okay, now it works, everything is fine. So okay, this is our home page. So home, I want to add, okay, what is the best thing. Okay, home, about. Okay, so home, about, Okay, it's working. All these things are working. So what we have to do? Okay, so I will think. Okay, about now refactor wrap with widget. Mhm. Okay, in about page. This is about. Okay, equal bar. Okay, scaffold body but text. So here click refactor wrap with widget center. It should be center. Okay, let's check it. Okay, see, click when I want to, when I click in, so the alert dialog refactor wrap with widget. No. Okay, yes, refactor wrap with widget the director. Okay, on tab L, so dialog context alert dialog. So here will be, this is alert dialog. Oh, no. In alert dialog we pass title text. Okay, so text hello. So let me check it, it's working or not. Okay, so now it's working. Very good. Title content. Okay, so in content we can pass text also. This is alert xple. If- okay, so this, okay, so okay, subscribe. I want to, okay, so this works perfectly. Okay, and here will be in action also, will be action. So what will be, okay, first I want to add background color here. Background color blue. STY. Okay, next video I will, when I will create now, so I will create a custom with custom widget everything. Not, you don't have to write every time style like that. Okay, like a color I will create custom widget for everything. First, as of now it's the first video, that's why I am using simple things. Okay, there is any foreground property, no foreground color. Okay, so leave it style here, copy this line. So if you use component, first I will create component, then it I will use, then it will be great. Okay, so how about click. Okay, so this is format document. Okay, so error dialog box, this is action content, title padding all 10. Okay, these are the padding, and title refactor wrap with widget center. Okay, so it will be center. This is okay. So what you have to do, so there is any title content. Okay, action, that's what we are looking for. Action mean like elevated button on press. Okay, so what I want, center child text back. Okay, constant, we have to remove constant. Okay, from here, so I removed constant, then navigator dot pop. Okay, it works. Okay, it's perfectly everywhere. Okay, what you have to do, go back. Okay, now back button is working. Very good. And okay, so if you want to add factor wrap with size to box with the 60 is okay. I will check. Okay, oh no, it's very less. 100, at least 100. Okay, so 100 works. Okay, now it looks like wow. Okay, so you can add more content and more. Refactor wrap with widget column. Okay, so now you can use multiple widgets here. Okay, like icon, color, what you want. Okay, here like if you like subscribers. Okay, you like this video. Okay, so okay, you can see here this is okay. So you can also wrap with this column, wrap with sized box, height 300. Okay, back I need only one. Okay, 200 would be better. I think it's okay. 200 is better. Okay, okay, so you can use like this. Okay, these are the things. So home, about home, main screen, home, constant. Okay, so and about, this is about screen factor. Okay, so now what we have to do, you have to use gesture detector, done, navigator. Okay, done. Okay, so what do I know, list style and bottom navigation. Okay, I will cover list view in other video. It's this video is also going too long, so instead of here, where is our drawer? Okay, so about, now this is our about. So refactor wrap with widget, wrap with widget, gesture detector on tab. Okay, so it's causing key, you have to const keyword. So here I am using const. We need to remove the const keyword. Okay, else everywhere you can use const keyword. Okay, home. Then I will copy this line because it's also getting late. Okay, refactor. So now click here, go to the drawer and about screen. You will be redirect to about screen. Okay, about. Okay, so about screen from. So okay, so about, now where is back button, alert dialog. Instead of this I will use this home screen. Okay, so it will go to the home screen only. Click about. Okay, back home screen. Okay, so what we have to do? So for this I will create. Okay, let's do one that. Okay, place or so about screen or going back about screen. This is our home screen. Okay, so home. Okay, so where is material? My app. Right. Okay, so our home screen about. Here go to the my app. मतलब, okay, now go to home screen about bottom about back. It's working perfectly. Now what I have to do? We need to go for bottom navigation bar. So okay, so what I want in my screen. So okay, our app bar home screen count keyword and what I want app bar में I will pause in bottom navigation bar. Okay, so you can use bottom navigation my bottom my bottom navigation. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to do one component. Go to component new bottom. Okay, bottom navigation dot. So you have to stateful. Okay, so double T bottom navigation, right click import. Okay, so in this what we have to do? Bottom navigation bar items, so it will accept list. So in list what to type item sun bar item. Okay, and we have to create my bottom. No. Okay. Okay, what is the class name? Bottom navigation. ठीक है. So what we have to do? Click here, Command C, and I will change the. Okay. It will work perfectly. Bottom navigation. Okay, so my bottom navigation. Okay, now it will run perfectly. Import this. Okay, so it will cause some error because at least in bottom navigation. Okay, so at least greater than or equal to 2. So what I have to do in bottom navigation? I have to item. Okay, bottom navigation bar item means icon में icons dot home. Okay, and icons dot search. Okay. This is also for icon. Okay, So icons dot things and a label. Okay, so label will be settings. Okay, okay, so you can search here. This is the bottom navigation bar. Okay, so okay, so this is our home page. In home page we want, I have to, okay, I will change it. Okay, so home screen, I want to remove these things. Okay, and this is container, I want to remove these things. So whatever I want to, column, say children. In children I will use this widget. This list view is pending. Okay, list style is pending. So in children list style. Okay, list view. So in list view you can pass children. Okay, list style. Okay, list style. In list style, leading it will be circle avatar color gray, and hot radius 40. Format document, minimize this. Okay, so refactor, remove this widget. Okay, what is style? Factor side box. Okay, so list view, the factor wrap with widget. You want some size. Mhm. Now it has been gone. Okay, so what is, oh no, refactor wrap with widget, remove this widget. I don't want to navigate. Okay. So what will happen? That's why it's getting okay. Okay, so list view controller, list view controller. Okay, as of now I don't want to use a refactor. Okay, list view, a refactor, remove this widget, refactor, remove this widget. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So main access alignment from start. Okay, so what do you list tile? Okay, so tile color, blue color. So okay, border radius, circle avatar, and hot title. Okay, subtitle. Okay, and content padding dot all should be 5. Okay, refactor wrap with padding. Okay, so it's getting a padding. Okay, so this is okay. So what you have to do, a style, text style, color, white color. Okay, so background, any foreground color. Okay, okay, foreground color white. So no need to write this line of code again and again. Okay, so all color would be what. Hmm? Okay, okay. Okay, right here column. Oh, hello, I'm Harindra. Okay, so you can in circle avatar you can add background image dot assets assets slash images slash img dot png. You can use any if you are using jpg image, write jpg here. Okay, and okay, title, subtitle, and here will be trailing also. So trailing, uh, what should be done, trailing icon, icon dot more. Okay, so color white. Okay, so when I want to click, okay, refactor wrap with click, and no, refactor wrap with widget ink well on tab. Okay, so you can use here, we have to remove this constant. Okay, this constant from here. So and wrap, click here. Okay, so on tab print. Okay, like this it will work. Okay, so if any I'm good. So where is about section, you can use this inkwell show dialog. Okay, this is the show dialog. So click here, minimize, click here, also click here. I will copy this again and home screen, and instead of this print I will print here. Okay, so when I click, a dialog box will be okay. Okay, so here click back or okay button. Okay, so okay, this is, and if you want to change the this list style, where is list style? Okay, so a refactor wrap with the widget container. Okay, so here decoration. Okay, okay, I will check radius. Go. No, no, what is the property, there is any property? Okay, okay, border shape, there is shape. Okay, okay, so in save rectangle radius dot circle 10. Okay, so it works. If you want to more, then you can add more radius. Okay, this is how your list style look like this. Okay, so for this you can use list view dot builder. Okay, format document. So this is our list style. Okay, column. Factor, remove this widget. Then, okay, so this is padding. So you can use multiple. Okay, you can also use using list view dot builder, but as of now I am using direct. Okay, so this video is already getting very long. Okay, so list view dot builder I will check in next video. Okay, so these are the back, home. Okay, so also you can add in home screen. If you want to add image, so you can add image here. Hello. Okay, children image dot assets. Sorry, assets. Assets are images are I dot png. Okay, so it will work. Okay, so if you are getting like this, wrap this column, refactor, wrap with widget, child scroll view. Okay, if you remember. So I mean, if you are uh, doing this course now, so you will be able to do all these things. Means once I explain everything, then I'm doing these things, creating this application. Okay, so this is okay. Also you can use here container decoration, box decoration, height. Okay, so image and decoration image, uh, AWS asset image. Okay, so here we have to do like this, and here will be property container fit fit box fit dot cover. Okay, so it will work properly. So there, so you have to add container height and widget. So height media query dot off dot context dot size dot height into, okay, size into 0.5. It means take the 50% of the height of the screen. Okay, so it's taking 50%. I will add it 4, then it will add 4% only. Okay, you can see it. So you can, it's for responsiveness, you can use media query refactor wrap with padding. Okay, so it will add padding. So in container I will add decoration, and then border radius or circular will be 10. Okay, so now you can see it. Okay, if I will 3, then it will be 3% of the screen. So it's looking good, our screen. Okay, so this is home, settings, about. Okay, so these are the things. So we have to create one more thing, one more screen. In screens, new file, ctting dot dart. Okay, so what we have created, stateful builder, and I could create, okay, settings. Okay, So refactor with material child center child text. Okay, so TINGS settings. Okay, refactor with widget. Okay, about setting. Okay, this is about. So what we have to do, and now I will use a scaffold home. Come on, next scaffold app bar में app bar. Okay, remove the constant, then app bar will work. App bar. Okay, title text SETTINGS settings. Okay, so what we have to do, go to drawer and navigator dot, copy this about settings icon, that refactor wrap with widget gesture detector on tab. Okay, place this and it will be double T settings, so it will work. Okay, now if I will go settings, this will work. Okay, so in next video I will add navigator over here. Okay, so you can navigate using these things. Okay, so I will change also home about. Okay, so here search की जगह about I will replace this icon, okay, with about. As of now this. Okay, so I think you will get one in you will get. Okay, in an. Okay, okay. So what is the home refactor wrap with widget gesture detector. So on tab. Okay, remove this. So home. Okay, now your drawer will work for home. Okay, so basically my app, go to the my app, then it will work perfectly. Okay, home about. Okay, so setting. Okay, so these are the our program. Okay, as of now I cover everything. So next video, it's getting too long video, so next video I will get navigation on this. Okay, if any doubt, anything else, you can comment, I will reply, okay, as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. So we will meet in next video. Thank you, bye bye for now.